Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your debit card number on Chase app. So let's get started. First of all, you can open Chase app and log into your account and tap your checking account, and after that you gotta tap your debit card or manage cards. You'll typically see last 4 digits of your card and you'll be able to see your card status and options to replace or lock the card. But you'll be able to see that full 16-digit number is not shown. So where to actually find your full debit card number? You can find it on your physical card. That is the fastest way. It is written in front of your debit card. And you can also find it within your digital wallet. If your card is added to Apple Pay, Google Pay, you might see a device account number and not always the real card number. Also, the Chase website also has the limited number, usually only shows last 4 digits, not the full number. If you really need it, call the number on the back of your card and verify your identity. They may help you securely access details or issue a replacement card. Banks do hide full numbers to prevent fraud. Never share your full debit card number online and avoid hack methods. They're unsafe or fake. So if your goal is online payment, just use the physical card. Or if you lost your card, then request a replacement in the app. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.